This is the Ugreen Displayport to HDMI converter. It is a male DisplayPort to female HDMI. You can basically connect an HDMI cable to this converter, and you could connect this thing to a DisplayPort. Let's just say you have a graphics card or just a monitor that only has a DisplayPort connector. Then you could use this thing to still be able to use your graphics card or monitor. Yeah, this is a cable made by Ugreen. They are great. Let's see what's inside the box right here. So yeah, this is it. This is the converter cable right there. Female HDMI to male DisplayPort. Again, this is so you could connect your DisplayPort only monitor or graphics card. If it's unlikely, but it could happen, so it's better to be prepared than, you know, to be caught with your pants down. That's the reason I bought it, to cover all bases, to just have it, because it's always good to have more cables than not to have any. So this is basically my unboxing of this product. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.